Hello children, I am your English teacher. In my previous lesson, I was teaching you the poem The Bird on the Shore, written by Brain Moses. So today I would like to continue the remaining stanzas. Shall we go children? Yes. Now I am going to read the stanza. Listen carefully. In my previous class, I have explained you the two stanzas. Now I am going to take you the third stanza. Yes, children. So far I have told you about the bird, seabird, gull. It's got stuck into the sea water. Which was very oily, sticky oil. The gull stuck into the sea water. The author of the poem, the small boy, and his father, both they picked up the gull wrapped in the towel and they saved it. Now the continuation. Next I am going to read what happened to the bird. It's not a job for us, Dad said. He needs some expert care. I think I know a place. They will make him better there. So the third stanza one more time. It's not a job for us. The father is saying it's not a job for us. Dad said he needs some expert care. I think I know a place. They will make him better there. So these are the 4 lines of the third stanza. Here it's not a job for us, Dad said. The boy wants to save the gull. They picked up, wrapped in the towel. But what father is saying, we cannot take care of such kind of birds which are stuck into the sea water or the oily surface of the water. He needs some experts' care. The bird, the gull really needs a care. Expert care. Here the new word is expert. E-X-P-E-R-T. Expert care. In the sense, expert. The meaning of the expert is person who knows well to care. That is expert. Suppose if we fall sick, who cures us children? Do we go to the experts? In the sense doctors? Yes, of course. Once we fall sick, we cannot get cured just like that at home children. So immediately we go to the doctor. The doctor is the expert to care the sick people. Expert to cure the sick people. The same way here, the father is saying he needs some expert care. Expert means a person who knows well to care the bird children. Expert, person who knows well to care the bird. I think I know a place. Father said, I think I know a place. They will make him better there. As soon as they picked up the gull, they wrapped it in a towel. As soon as they saw the bird, they couldn't heal it or take care of it. It really needs an expert care. So father said, I know an expert who heals the gull. Okay, children. So here expert, 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 person who knows when to care. Yes. One more thing. One more new word is wrapped. WRAPPED, wrapped. The meaning of wrapped is covered with other material. Covered with other material. As I told you, they covered the bird with cloth material. That is expert. Sorry. That is wrapped. That is all about the third stanza. Now I am going to read fourth stanza of the poem. They scrubbed and cleaned our gull, then showed us several more which had been black with oil and half dead on the shore. So here they have taken the gull to expert to bring it back to the normal condition. Then what happened to the gull? They scrubbed and cleaned our gull. They scrubbed and cleaned the gull because the gull is fully oily and sticky. Then showed us several more. Then they showed several more gulls or birds which had been black with oil. Which had been totally black with oil and half dead on the shore. Half dead on the shore. Here they scrubbed and cleaned our gull. Scrubbed is one more new word for you. SCRUBBED, scrub. SCRUBBED, scrub. The meaning of the scrub is to rub and wash. To rub and wash. Scrub. The meaning of the scrub is to rub and wash. It means they rub and washed the bird gull thoroughly. Then they showed the experts showed several birds which are completely black with the oil. Black with the oil. And half dead means I told you they became extremely weak at least to fly or at least to talk also. Now the next stanza, the fifth stanza of the poem. This is the last stanza. A sticky skin of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs one's help to be free. So here the speaker of the poem, as I told you, a boy, is saying again, a sticky skin of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs one's help to be free. So he is saying that a sticky skin of oil. The bird, like the same way, so many birds also stuck into the oil and they became very weak. That is called, totally became black with the oil, children. So I would like to read one more time all the three stanzas. Okay, listen carefully. It's not a job for us, Dad said. He needs some expert care. I think I know a place. They will make him better there. They scrubbed and cleaned our gull, then showed us several more which had been black with oil and half dead on the shore. A sticky skin of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs one's help to be free. Okay, children, this is the poem about the gull Gull is a bird, I told you. I would like to revise all the new words and their meanings once again. S-H-O-R-E, shore. The meaning of the shore is land near sea. Floating. F-L-O-A-T-I-N-G, floating. Move freely across the surface of water. Gull. Sea bird. G-U-L-L, gull. Sea bird. Pecked. P-E-C-K-E-D, pecked. Bite of a bird. The meaning of the pecked is bite of a bird. Break free. B-R-E-A-K, break. F-R-E-E, free. Break free. Expert. E-X-P-E-R-T, expert. The meaning of the expert is person who knows well to care. Scrubbed. S-C-R-U-B-B-E-D, scrubbed means to rub and wash. Wrapped. Wrapped, W-R-A-P-P-E-D, wrapped. The meaning of the wrapped is covered with other material. So this is all about the new words and the meanings of the poem, children. Now I would like to give you some rhyming words from this poem, children. Rhyming words. Rhyming words means spelling is different but they sound same. They sound same. See, like in the first stanza, a sticky skin of oil is floating on the sea and any bird caught in it needs our help to break free. This is the first stanza. Next stanza, second stanza is, in the first stanza, if you notice, is floating on the sea. Is floating on the sea. And in the fourth stanza, need our help to break free. Okay, children? Now the second stanza, just like the gull we found, half dead among the sands. We wrapped him in a towel, but still he pecked Dad's hands. Here, sands, hands, stands, hands. These are the rhyming words, children. S-A-N-D-S, sands. H-A-N-D-S, hands. Sands, hands. They sound same. They sound same. Sands, hands is a rhyming word. If you go to the third stanza, we just find another rhyming words, if any. It's not a job for us, Dad said. He needs some expert care. I think I know a place, they will make him better there. Here if you notice, in the second stanza, care. Care, there. Care, there. Again care, there are the other rhyming word, children. Care, there. Though the spelling is different, they sound same. In the fourth stanza, they scrubbed and cleaned our gull. They showed us several more, which had been black with oil and half dead on the shore. Here, more, shore. If you see here, it's more, shore. More and shore are two different words, but they sound alike. They sound alike. More, shore. Okay? If you come to the last stanza, Here two more rhyming words are there. Those are see, free. See, free. C, S-E-E-C. F-R-E-E, free. They end with the same sound. They end with the same sound. So these are the rhyming words. Repeat after me, children. Sands, hands, care, there, more, shore, sea, free. These are the four rhyming words picked from the poem, children. Okay. So after this video, I just send you the poem. So every day you can learn one stanza from the by heart it and learn from the poem, children. And here, so I would like to give one exercise, children. Shall we do the exercise? Yes. Listen carefully and quickly answer it. Okay? So these are the some questions I am going to ask you. You should tell me the right answer. Tick the correct answer. Okay? First one is, a sticky skin of oil was floating on the sea, river, lake. Exactly, children. Sea. Good. A sticky skin of oil was floating on the sea. The second one, listen carefully, children. The speaker and his father found the gull. Where did they find the gull? On a rock, among the sands, under a tree. Where did they find the gull, the bird, children? Among the sands. Very good. The third one is, they wrapped the bird. They wrapped the bird in a towel, in a shirt, with a newspaper. With a newspaper. How did they wrap the towel? They wrapped the towel, how did they wrap the gull? In a newspaper. Yes, children. You are correct. Fourth one is, the experts showed them several other birds, black with, as they had taken the bird to the experts. The experts showed several birds with black with paint, suit or oil. Which is correct? Oil. Yes, children, you are right. So the expert showed them several other birds, black with oil. Black with oil. Very good, children. You have done so well the exercise. Next exercise, I would like to say, give some opposite words. Some opposite words, children. Shall we learn some opposite words? Yes. See, children. Opposites. We just pick few words from the poem and learn some opposites. As we learned in the poem, the first one is F-L-O-A-T, float. What is the opposite for the float? Floating means moving freely on any other surface, I told. What is the opposite for the float, children? Floating, opposite is sink. Float, sink. Float means just moving on the top. Sinking means going into. Going into. So float, opposite is sink. Second one from the poem, children. F-O-U-N-D, found. Found opposite is lost. The opposite of found is, if you find something, that is found. If you lose something, that is lost. So found, lost. The third one is dead. The third one is dead. Dead opposite alive. Dead opposite Suppose if you find any bird or any animal dead, dead. The opposite of dead is alive. Fourth one, children, from the poem is wrap. Wrapping means, I told you, covering. So wrap opposite is unwrap. The opposite of wrap is unwrap, uncovered. Fifth one, children. Better. The opposite of better is, yes, you are right, worse. The opposite of better is worse. Just a moment, children. Let me once again repeat these opposite words. Repeat after me. Float, sink, found, lost, dead, alive, wrap, unwrap, better, worse. Okay, children, this is all about the poem. Thank you.